Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The renowned luxury car manufacturer is making a major entry into the market for high-end recreational vehicles with the 2026 Lexus Royalty Motorhome. This RV is expected to provide an unmatched mobile living experience by utilizing Lexus's well-established reputation for fine craftsmanship, elegant design, and unfailing dependability. Though modified for the greater scale of a motorhome, the design philosophy should effortlessly incorporate the brand's distinctive aesthetic, which is defined by graceful lines, refined proportions, and an emphasis on aerodynamic efficiency. The exterior would probably feature a tasteful fusion of smooth surfaces and delicate curves, perhaps even reinterpreting iconic Lexus design elements like the spindle grille for the vehicle's form factor. In addition to improving visibility, advanced lighting technology, such as beautifully crafted LED headlamps and taillamps, will add to the motorhome's impressive appearance. Carefully planned storage spaces and flawlessly integrated service access panels will highlight a dedication to both form and function. The interior of the 2026 Lexus Royalty Motorhome is intended to be a haven of luxury and cutting-edge technology. Premium, hand-picked materials such as soft leather upholstery, finely made wood veneers, and custom metal accents are probably going to be used throughout the cabin. With separate areas for living, eating, sleeping, and bathing, the plan will put an emphasis on ergonomics and space, all of which will be meticulously designed. One important component will be the thoughtfully planned ambient lighting, which will produce a calm and opulent ambience. The motorhome is anticipated to be at the forefront of technology, integrating huge, high-resolution displays with Lexus's cutting-edge infotainment system. A connected and pleasurable trip will be guaranteed by extensive connectivity choices, as well as advanced navigation and entertainment capabilities. Additionally, for a car this tiny, the addition of cutting-edge driver assistance technologies that are derived from Lexus's automobile lineup will put safety and maneuverability first. In order to comply with changing environmental regulations and Lexus's dedication to efficiency, the 2026 Lexus Royalty Motorhome's drivetrain is probably going to prioritize smooth and elegant performance, maybe integrating an electric or hybrid propulsion. With a cutting-edge suspension system designed to offer outstanding comfort and stability on a variety of road surfaces, the ride quality will be crucial. The 2026 Lexus Royalty Motorhome is essentially expected to be more than simply a way to travel. It is intended to be an extension of the Lexus luxury experience, providing a refined and painstakingly designed home on wheels to discerning tourists. Setting a new standard for luxury in the motorhome market, it is anticipated to appeal to individuals who appreciate subtle elegance, cutting-edge technology, and the steadfast quality that is synonymous with the Lexus name.